In this video, I'll show you how exactly to optimize your LinkedIn profile so as to get a lot of clients for your coaching or consulting business. Now, LinkedIn is a beautiful social network to get clients, to interact with people, and people in general in LinkedIn. What I've seen are sort of serious people. So it is a wonderful, wonderful resource. In fact, a lot of our meetings that we are getting with our agency and our coaching business, they all come from LinkedIn. Yeah, and one common factor that we have seen that the customers who have paid us the most, they are all in LinkedIn and they are all active. And this is a huge data for us. So now we know for a fact that if we just go hunt in LinkedIn, we can find our target audience, and you can too. But before you reach out on LinkedIn, what you need to have is a strong profile that shows that you are an expert in your subject. All right. And now how exactly to do that? Let's take a look at the video and figure this out. Alright, now this is my LinkedIn profile, and if I click on my name, this is how my profile looks like. First thing is the profile URL. You can see there is the profile URL right here. It says linkedin.com/in/Jayant. Well, this makes you look professional. If I open this, the profile looks something like linkedin.com/in/Megha, whatever the number, right? This looks very unprofessional. If this is the person who is watching this video, then I'm sorry. Now, nothing wrong with that, but if somebody looks at your URL and it looks sort of classy, at least it shows your name, then it kind of creates a good vibe that you know what your way around LinkedIn. It just shows that, right? So how do you change that? Is by clicking on this public profile and URL. And here you see, edit your custom URL. You can click on this pencil button, and you can edit the URL. Now, the second thing that we need to look at is your headline. Now, don't be too fancy. Don't add a very cool graphic or something. The simplest one I have seen, if you just put your company name, if you are working at a company, it works beautifully well. One of my friend, Khushi, does it very nicely. She has put her company's information in her bio. She is working at this company, AIBs.io, and like whatever they are doing. Very simple, yeah. Even in my case, my offer is like I help people get high ticket appointments through LinkedIn and cold outreach. So it just says like, hey, wonderful pipeline, let me get you 30 to 40 high ticket appointments every month, DM for details. So there is a call to action here as well, right? Here she has not added a call to action, but to increase her authority, they have added the different companies that they have worked with. You can add that as well. So I can add like Mercedes, Nikon, Your Story, whatever. Yeah. Now, next comes your profile picture, and if I show you, I hate these kind of profile pictures. See, this guy is standing in front of a car and open to work. Don't put open to work. This like it shows you are desperate. Experts don't need to show that. They're open to work. You just hunt for work. Or even this, like there is a car in the background, right? Or you are gone for some relative's wedding and you post that picture, then those don't look good at all, right? But this kind of profile picture, which looks sort of professional, this is good. I don't like the banner though, but I definitely like the profile picture. It's very simple, very elegant. There is one single color in the background, looks beautifully well. In my case, I just like the blue color. For some reason, I won't say it's my favorite color. It's just a lazy color. For anything, I just pick blue. Plus, it looks cool with LinkedIn's vibe. Yeah. So I put this blue color background here and also in this particular banner so that it looks sort of synchronous. Yeah. So this picture, I asked one of my friends to take it. It was not like a very high quality DSLR picture or something. It was like clicked normally, and I removed the background. You can use something called as remove.bg. This is the tool where you can upload your picture and remove the background there. So works really well, and put like the same color as your headline or this banner color. So you can just simply go to Canva if you want to create a banner, and if you click on create a design, search for LinkedIn banner, you will find LinkedIn background photo. This works. Yeah. If I show you mine, I did the same thing. Want a full pipeline? Do it. Right? Having a clear-cut picture which shows what you do is incredible. Many people don't scroll beyond this, so this particular part is more important. Next thing, when it comes to your bio here, so if you click on this pencil button, it comes in here. Here you write in the headline, what exactly do you do? What is your offer? You can have a very specific offer as well, right? My USP is, okay, I help agency owners scale, right? Scale to, let's say, rupees 10 lakhs a month. But I don't want to keep that, because we work with agencies of all sorts of capabilities. In Alpha Club, we help agency owners who are making about 1 lakh to 5 lakhs and help them scale to 10 lakhs or 12 lakhs in our revenue. So basically we help them double that. And in our agency, we get a lot of software development agencies, IT consulting agencies, and they want our help to do it for them. So I want to keep it thoda generic. Here I also talk about personal branding, appointment setting. I can also put sales, then your current position, what industry you are in, your education, whatever is required. This part is cool. This is very important. So I have a lead magnet that runs, right? So I have a lead magnet called 30-day sales high ticket course. 30-day high ticket sales course, sorry. So what I did is, like, I put the link of this particular thing in as my website. Now I could just put janpadi.com as well, but with this I can generate leads. So that's good, right? So use this as a landing page to generate leads. That's what I'm talking about, right? Now I don't put open to work or something. Let it be normal, neutral. Curator mode, you need to keep it on always. And then in the featured section, you can add your lead magnet, 30-day email course on high ticket closing. Here you go. We have a podcast that I did with Didi about how to get more clients as an agency owner. Here there is a case study. So I hit 3 crores in sales, and there is the industry stats. This shows that I'm an expert in the industry, right? So this is pretty cool. Next, one of the major things, if you want to really, amp your LinkedIn profile up, I would suggest you create a lot of content on LinkedIn. In fact, in my case, I create content every single day. Sometimes I take a break here and there, but majority of the time I create content every single day. About section is very important. So why? Because it shows what you do. It can be a little bit funny. You should present your case studies. What did you do in your lifetime, and what is your value proposition? Now, to do this, I take the help of my trusty friend, ChatGPT, always. So I say, like, hey, act as a professional copywriter and help me optimize my LinkedIn about section. I'll just give a little bit of details. Let's say I solve the 2 biggest problem any business can have. I'm a lead consultant at pixeltrack.com, or instead of at pixeltrack, instead of lead consultant, let's say I call growth partner. If you are a freelancer, a very good term is growth partner. Yeah. I solve the 2 biggest problem any business can have, these, and help me create a cool about section in 200 words. It should start with an intriguing hook. Yeah. This hook should compel the reader to see more. Then talk about my value proposition, and then keep some case studies. Obviously, case studies are something that you can do yourself. At last, ask the viewer to connect with me on DM, like write informally, write an active voice, first person singular. This should work. I mean, it's not bad. Imagine your business hitting the stride, packed calendar, soaring sales, all in record time. Oh wow, this is actually good. Okay, so connect with me this. So here I can change my own case studies. Instead of their case study, I can put my own. But this is not bad. Imagine your business hitting a stride, packed calendar, soaring sales, all in record time. Now, what I told you, it's closer. What if I told you it's closer than you think? Oh, this is cool. Let me do this. I'll definitely add this. Then what did I do? just not your ordinary Christian. I'm a success catalyst. Okay. Secret weapon, my unique blend of data-driven tactics and a pinch of out-of-the-box creativity. All right, so this is nice. Actually, I'll put it here. This has crossed beyond 200. So that's cool. And this has crossed beyond 20,000. Actually, 18,000 to be specific. I'll just update my bio. It's been a while that I've updated. But yeah, so best case studies, we have added these and done. Save. So you got your about section up and running. Here, okay, instead of asking them to subscribe to my newsletter, I can be like, want my help? Let's chat on my DM. Yeah, I can put setting appointment, sales, marketing, automation, sales, copywriting. Anyways, this stuff you can add. Now, boom, we got our about section ready. Now, in the experience, you add which company you are working with and give a little bit of context of what exactly are you working here. As learned today, what did I do? In Central University of Kerala, this is where I did my PhD. What did I do here? Then as a copywriter in Mobco Media, what did I do? So everything, whatever you have written, whatever work you have done. So basically, what you have to do is write a little bit about the work that you have done in a particular company. So what this does, it shows that you are serious. You are, you know your stuff. You are writing something. You can also add some work samples if your company allows. Where is it? Yeah, you can add some work samples if your company allows. Unfortunately for me, in my companies, they didn't add a lot of work samples there. So it's cool, but as long as you are writing something, you are telling people what you have done in this particular company, it's more than enough. Yeah. Next, you can add your education, which is pretty standard. If you have worked as a volunteer in some organization, add that. Now, in terms of skill, you can add all the skills that you can have. You can take a skill quiz, that's good. But it works best when other people endorse you for the skill. For me, one of my clients did endorse me for lead generation and sales as a skill. And very important, every time you land a client, ask them for a recommendation. Having good recommendation is always, feather on the cap is what they say, right? Now, what happens is when you do good work for people, they refer other people, that's number one. And when these recommendations come, it works like social proof in a landing page, right? And there are interest. So this is how you pretty much optimize a single LinkedIn profile. Now, even if you optimize everything, what is more important is to create good content every single day. So what I've done to help you out, I have created this library of 31 proven LinkedIn post templates that you can use to go ahead and post consistently. So here we have 31 proven LinkedIn post templates, which let's say you sit on a Sunday, you can use ChatGPT, use this template to create content for the entire month and schedule it for yourself. Yeah. How to do that is basically I have picked out all the tweets and LinkedIn posts that have gone viral of different creators like Justin Wells, Dickie Bush and everything. So what I do is I'll just copy this template, go to ChatGPT and say, give me a list of 31 highly intriguing and helpful topics for agency owners and freelancers. Let's say I add this. These are cool, not the best, but chalo. We have good number of lists coming up. So let's say I just copy this. I compress this today, add context, and here are X lessons I learned in X time. So this is one. So let's say write a LinkedIn post, or I would put act like an expert social media marketer and write a LinkedIn post on the following let's say navigating your first year as a freelancer. Use the following template. So here if you go and just copy this template Boom. Boom, right? Just wrapped up an inspiring session with a group of ambitious freelancers taking the leap into the first year. I can just change this a little bit. Write informally. Use shorter sentences. Use power words to trigger emotions. And I would, what else would I put? I would not suggest use power words. Don't use fluffy words. Right? Like you'd talk to another person, and make it easy to understand even for a 7th grader. I'll just put this. Alright, so when it says folks and all that, obviously it's not like the best, but we do have something to write on. So let's say we say 5 lessons learned from 5 months as a freelancer. Yeah. And you just use that and post it on LinkedIn, schedule, right? Best thing about LinkedIn is that if you go to your profile, you can schedule your post by clicking on here. So if I want to post this, so let's say I put this like 3 years into freelancing. Okay, let's say 5 lessons learned after, let's say 3 years is, or 3 into 365, completing 1095 days of freelancing and agency, and boom. I can change this. Whatever. Hope this insights help you. Here's 2 more successful years for us all. So it's not the best, but it works, right? And if you click on schedule for later, you can pick a date and time. You can schedule it for later. That way, what I normally do is like I just go ahead and finish writing like 7 to 8 posts in a Sunday or Saturday, and just schedule it for the entire week. That way, I don't have to worry about the entire week. Even if some work comes up, I don't have to worry about LinkedIn posts, right? So all I have to care is like when somebody comments on my post, what I do is like I just comment back, reply back. So whatever required, right? I hope it helps. If you are a freelancer, agency owner, or a consultant who knows that your target audience and high quality target audience hangs out on LinkedIn, then use this guide to optimize your profile. And if you want this particular template, let me know in the comments. Say, I want the template. I will drop the link of this template in the comment section as a reply, and you can go ahead and use this for yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.